this was going to end badly. Dismiss ends as we remiss, hasty to ignore the rest. 'Cause in the end we'll pay again for attachments, even when devotion's found. Someday it won't be buried underground. We agree wholeheartedly to the effect there's no way to leave unscathed. From the onset, the hourglass it drains. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh So here I sit alone, the simple as cliche. A bowl of sorrow falls, the tears in my ashtray. What can I live on? Need for coalescence. I don't regret our time together. I don't